I'm really excited to do this unboxing of the powerplate. I have always been looking for a good piece of equipment that can maximize my time.
If you'd like to learn more about the powerplate, check in the description box right down below.
I don't have 2 and 3 hours to be at the gym anymore. Those days are done. I'm a dad, I'm an entrepreneur. I need something that's gonna make the biggest impact with the shortest amount of time. That's what led to powerplate. Let's unbox this together. Now this is beautiful. Some accessories. This is right here. All right, so we got straps. These straps, a couple instruction manuals. We got a power cord, and it looks like we have some more hidden here. Guess we're gonna learn about exactly what this is in a minute together. This is beautiful. Oh. Got a power plate. Looks like a pad. I like to think that I'm pretty strong. I would recommend that you have another person here to help you with this. We have this pad right here, which I'm assuming is for us to stand on. We also have a couple straps, which we're gonna learn about together. Power cord and instruction manual. Perfect right here, nothing to download, which I do love. I'm not the biggest fan of digital downloads. You know what, let me just show you. All right, so does have an app. Okay, here is our shiny new power plate. The footprint is, a bit deceptive. I was thinking it was gonna take up so much space, but it's really compact. But let's dive into this, let's hook this up, give it some power and see what's next. This is really straightforward. We have a remote control here, which is awesome, so you can operate this wirelessly. And we've got a remote control, and we got a power cable, which is about 5.5 feet, which is, great. I wish it was a little bit longer, not gonna lie, but this is going to work. It's much longer than like a computer cable, which is 3 feet long. So this is wonderful. Let's hook this up and start demoing this bad boy out. Right now you're hearing this in motion. What do you hear? It's pretty quiet. I don't feel any vibration throughout the house. I know there's a big concern of mine and many others, but so far this has been great. I'm at the 1 setting, but let's give this a workout. I'm feeling some soreness, muscles a little tight. They have this great app, which I'm gonna make sure you see it on the screen. And it's a really easy process to log in and get everything set up. It's got personal trainers. It's got suggestions on different workouts. It has trainers. It has different workouts for you already pre-programmed for you to follow along. So let's do one together as I stretch my body out and give this a test run, give you my initial thoughts.
So you got this app from the App Store, which you log in just like you would do any other app. What's really cool about this is how they have separate classes, introductory courses kind of set up for you so you can understand exactly how to use this, as well as having coaches and trainers who have many biographies and profiles so you can best understand which trainer is going to be best for you. Since my big focus is going to be around recovery and to get my balance and focus straight, well, let's get back to me and I can show you what I'm working on that I learned inside the app.
They've got this nice comfort pad on there to give you a nice soft protection when you stand on top of it. Whoa. This is different. So before I even get started with this, all right, so that was part 1 of the workout. Let's go in and start doing some more standing upright things. Let's put this back on there and let's get part 2 of the workout going. Whoa. I will tell you, when you're standing on the balls of your toes, and then when you put your weight back in your heels, you can really feel this traveling literally all the way up your body. And I haven't even started doing anything yet. Wow. So let me get started with this power pose and share my thoughts. Oh, wow. This is helping me get loose faster. I can feel this. Oh, wow. I can literally feel this traveling up my hamstrings. Wow. This is going to be a game changer, and I'm strictly just talking about recovery. I'm going to be doing more where I'm talking about exactly how this is going to help me for my training and how it can also help you.
Check the link in the description if you'd like to learn more about ordering a power plate for yourself today.
For recovery, for this yoga, just my initial thoughts, boom, mind is blown. This is something that stretched me out. I felt my hamstrings loosen. I've got really long legs and I also have really tight hamstrings sometimes, and I don't stretch enough. I'm guilty of it just like anybody else. But this brought the fun back to it, but also it took less time for me to get warmed up, if that made any sense. So it made me feel as though that I was recovering faster and that my muscles got to have more blood flow to them. That's one of the things that they talk about that this device can do, and I love the fact that it actually did it. And it took less than 5 minutes, which is bonkers to me. The fact that you have a trainer that's guiding you along the way is awesome. If you got any questions, feel free to leave any comments below. I'm watching those. I wanna make sure that everybody feels good about this. Stiffness, tightness, soreness, recovery, blood flow, I am completely sold on this. This unboxing in these 5 minutes, 10-second workout has truly proven that this has lots of capabilities. If you have questions, ask them. If you have any questions, talk to me. I'm watching those comments.